Alright, let's take a look at this 1988 MAGNAVOX movie maker. This side up. Let's see what we got in here. It's a little hard to open, but there it is. That's our camera right there. Check that out. We'll get that out of there. So here's our movie maker, right? Let's see if we can get this thing going. Here's our battery. Probably doesn't work anymore. That's a concern. And let's see, we'll move this over a little bit. Right here, we got all this other crap in here. What's cool is right here, check this out. This stuff's, a lot of this stuff's still sealed. Never even used, so looks like we got extensions, excuse me. We got all this stuff, shoulder straps. Look at this, little adapter there, out, audio out, video out, okay. And it looks like here, this would be our charging port. Right here, if I can get this sucker out of there, look at that. Well, like I said, I doubt this stuff works anymore, but we're gonna give it a shot. Now here's the battery here. This piece goes onto here like this, and this goes into the charger. So that's gonna go in, I believe, right there. We're gonna put it in right there. I'm gonna charge this for a while, then we'll come back. Alright, so it's been a few hours. Let's give this a shot and see if we can get any power. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our camera. We're gonna attach the battery. That's in there pretty good. Let's put this out, huh? No power. Well, fudge. So the guy said it worked, and we're gonna find out if it does. Alright. So I have this 12-volt battery charger, and just so happens that this takes 12 volts. So what we're gonna do is try to run the power from this into the camera. So there we go. I don't know how well that connection is gonna be, but it should do for now to let us know if we have power. Now, what I'm gonna show here is once we get this battery off, right? We're gonna have positive and negative. I'm gonna do the same thing, but back here. Unfortunately, we don't really have too much to connect to, but we're gonna give it our best shot. One thing I'll show real quick is I took the screws off, and you can see there must have been some water damage. I don't know if somebody got some soda or something in there, or water or what, but definitely not good. I'm not seeing too much water damage from the power supply all the way to here, but we're not gonna be using this anyway, so I guess it doesn't matter too much. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, there we go. There's some power. Let's move this. Let's try eject. Oh, that looks like it's working. Okay. Looking good. Let's see if we can see anything through here, huh? Oh, look at that. Oh, doesn't help the lens cap is on, huh? Look at that. I don't know if you can appreciate that, but it looks like it's going. See that? You can see the games in there. Holy crap. Well, look at that. There it is. It's not going to look too good on the TV recording from the phone, but we're able to have video from the camera, a live feed. Now, I was unable to get the original audio from this video. I'm able to get audio on a VHS tape itself, but for some reason I can't get audio through the adapter in the back. Now, this isn't my normal kind of video, but I thought I'd record it anyways and give it an upload. Let me know what you think, and maybe I'll do more videos like this. If you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thanks a lot for watching. And tune in next time.